back to the channel. I'm going to show you a tool that I've been using that has been working incredibly. Now, there is loads of different tools when you search on YouTube, depending on who uses what, but I can tell you that this is one of the most popular out there. And the reason is it goes more in detail of finding a trending product than the normal, hey, click this website and check what's trending. Let me show you what I'm talking about, guys. And after I've showed you the tool, I'm going to show you the best suppliers out there that are going to help you, which of course is Fulfillman. So make sure you stay tuned, follow along, and let's get to it. All right, guys, you can see here trending products. Now, it is a blank space. You can get this up on your extension right here, and I'm going to show you exactly how this extension works. So first thing I'm going to say is you can build around your niche by just searching a keyword that you want to. Now, for me, I have general stores. The difference is general stores sell all different kind of products. So I try and find trending products, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So when we click on trends, okay, you can see some of these crazy trending products. So as I scroll down, I'm just going to choose a random product to show you. Okay, let's go with these shorts. Okay, these shorts have a lot of fire. It means it's trending quite a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go with, let's just pick one. Let's pick this bag here. All right, I'm a content creator. This bag would be great for me. So if we click here on view ad, okay, it's gonna take you over to the ad library. Now, this is the ad library for Facebook. So this ad is already running, but this tool takes you into so much detail, guys, that you can actually start to see a lot more about it. Okay, so if we go here, okay, and you can see details, you'll see that this has popped up. All right, this will show you the details of the bag, of the ad, exactly what is going on. You can also go in deeper and find the European urine transparency, all the information you need, what age the ad is going to, how much reach it has had, okay, about the advertiser, and of course the beneficiary and payer. But if you come over here, okay, and go to the feed of the extension, you can start to see a little more of the products coming in here. Now you could follow these, for example, shortlist this baby bag right here, okay, but if you want to just find yourself a trending product that's through this website, okay, you can just click on the middle one. Now let's get back to this bag. It's really, really cool. If you want to find anything to do with this, it's all on here. Now, if we go back, okay, if we go back to this, you can click shop now and go straight to the website that this is actually showing the item. All right, and what will happen is this is this really important part. This will pop up of your extension once it's installed and start to show you information you need to make that decision. So let's go here. You can see here there is overview of the promo of what we're looking at right now. Shows you 11,000 impressions, so it is trending. You can also go to all different kind of deals that are coming up. Okay, so you can change the search whether you want to get this on Alibaba, AliExpress. So let's go to AliExpress, see maybe if we can find this. Okay, now the best supplier out there is Fulfillman, and I'll show you that very soon, but this is just a quick example of what they've got implemented in here. So then you can go, say, let's go to one of these websites. Let's go down, let's go to Pinterest. Pinterest also sell this bag. So you see how it sends you all of the different ways that you can find this product, knowing that this is now a trending product because everybody's selling it. The tool has told me to, the extension has told me to, and now we're in a position where we can look real in detail about how we want to sell this. Okay, so going back to the Google Lens, okay, you can choose between these, but what I want to show you guys is that is how you find a trending product. Very, very easy. I want to show you where the supplier is that you need to choose, and that is Fulfillment, guys. And the reason is because they have so many services on it. It's a global fulfillment and dropshipping service. They can help you with every aspect of choosing a supplier, having the warehouse set, and including features like private line. Okay, your brand credibility will be built with this service. So when you choose this trending product, you start here, you find the product, you make sure you've done your research into the ad libraries, you find out that all these sites are promoting it. These guys will then take it from there. Get a free quote with them, and trust me, you will not be disappointed. So that's how to use trending tools, guys. I'm gonna make more videos on this because that was just the trending section. I want to expand and show you all the different ways you can use it. It's something I've been using that's been making me so much success lately, and I know a lot of people in my industry are doing that too. So if you enjoyed it, hit that like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell, notified. There's a link down below to get involved with that right now. Make sure you get a free quote fulfillment. Finding a product is fantastic, but if you have no one to supply it and ship it, it's not going to be great. So make sure you hit them up, and I'll see you on the next one.